But what happened, at least according to what Inca oral story said, is that they were challenged by the Huanca Empire, a small kingdom actually. The Huancas wanted to expand their area and they wanted to take over the Cusco Valley. So they were larger and more powerful than the Incas, which is a very small kingdom. And so the leader of the Incas fled. He was an old man. He fled and he's left his son in charge. And his son decided to face the Huanca. And the son, I'm just giving you the outcome of the battle there, but the son raised an army, fought the Huanca, conquered the Huanca, and renamed himself Pachacuti, and he is now known as kind of the Alexander the Great of the Inca Empire. So he conquered, he headed off the danger from the Huanca kingdom, saved the empire, and started the ascension or the growth of the Incas into an actual empire. And this is him being carried in a litter. All the nobles back in Inca times, the rulers were carried on litters. This is them going to a nearby tribe. And they started their own conquest. And I think they probably realized that if we stay a small kingdom, then we're going to be vulnerable to any other larger kingdom like the Huancas. So why don't we start to expand and enlarge our kingdom? And this is kind of like a historical chart of the Inca Empire. And these are the various emperors going back to Pachacuti. This is the Alexander the Great, roughly 1438 AD to 1463. He conquered this area, starting in Cusco here. He conquered this area during his lifetime there. His son Tupac Inca conquered up into the north. His son, also Tupac Inca, conquered this area here. Then Huayna Capac conquered his whole area in the south. And one by one, each emperor started enlarging the Inca Empire until in a very roughly 100-year period, it became the largest empire that ever existed in the New World. About 2,500, 3,000 miles in length and over a topography that was enormously complex.